Hi, so I'm gonna try something new this month and vlog a little piece of my life every day throughout the month of September. There's some kind of trend, if that's what you want to call it, that's been going on for quite a few years now. It's called Veda, which is vlogging every day in August, or if it happens to be April, it'll be vlogging every day in April. And I participated that about 3 years ago or so. And I thought it was such a fun concept that since obviously August has come and went, I'm going to try it, give it a shot in September. So it's gonna be strictly raw footage. What you see is what you get. This is just little snippets of my life. Today, I'm just gonna be sharing what's in our fridge. We've had this fridge for just about a month now, and well, let me just show you what's over there. Okay, so here's our fridge. It's a Samsung something or other. I'll put the name of the fridge in the description, but as you can see, one of the most obvious features is this high-tech iPad built-in thing. And just some background information, I really didn't want this fridge. My husband Aaron wanted it, and when I asked him what was wrong with our other fridge that we had, he said, it's a dumb fridge. And I was like, what do you mean? He says, well, it doesn't have an iPad on it. And I was like, well, we can just slap an iPad on there if it'll make you happy, because we used to have one of those whiteboards. It was just like a small mini whiteboard where I could just write what we needed for the groceries or little messages and whatnot. And he said, no, we need this one because it has this, this, and this. And I was like, what? So I did our calculations and I seen that we could actually buy it on October 7th, but we ended up purchasing it on August 3rd. So here we have a fridge. I'm just gonna show you some of the features, what's so special about this fridge, so let's take a look. Okay, so as you can see, there's different sections here. There's like a whiteboard here where you can just edit whatever you want to put. We added a picture of Aria when we took our Vegas trip, just because it's something that's always going to show, like the latest thing you post there, that will always be on the main screen. This little sticky board thing here just gives you something fun for the day. This is just a lady saying dramatize. We have a calendar here that shows us what's going to happen. So tomorrow we have our Terminix termite inspection happening, and then Friday it says it's just a reminder of trash day is happening. We can view what's inside the fridge just by tapping right here. So this is everything that's inside our fridge. I can show you without even opening the door. There's 3 layers that we have. You can only see the fridge part, you can't see what's inside the freezer. And all these little labels right here are basically saying what day or how many days are left before this item expires. So we have orange juice that's right here that's actually going to expire in a day, compared to I don't know, this coconut milk all the way back there that's going to expire in 254 days. So if you were to move the items around inside the fridge, these do not actually move with them. So you got to be careful about when you take items out and then when you put them back in. Yeah, you can see there's kind of a lot of junks in our fridge right now. Over here you can add, it'll show you exactly like list, I guess everything that's in the fridge in a listed version. You can include a shopping list. And the kind of neat feature about this is that you can create as many lists as you want. And actually on your phone, there's an app that goes with the fridge. Obviously, it's a smart fridge. And you can view your list or what's in the fridge from your phone. So this was our Costco list, and I pulled it up on my phone while we were shopping, and then was just telling Aaron all the things that we needed, and I crossed it off at the same time. You can also play Pandora here. You just sign into your Pandora account and then play music, and it just starts playing. Aaron likes to play the 80s pop radio station for some odd reason. Other things here is Club de Chefs, which I don't usually use because I don't cook that often. Let's just be real. But anyway, it just shows you like there's different recipes and stuff. And then you can shop for groceries, which is a feature that's actually not available in Hawaii, but it's just a feature that's available here. So you just simply plug in what you want, and then I believe there's only like 2 stores that are available for this feature. Yeah, Fresh Direct and ShopRite, and then you just browse, add it to your cart, buy it, and then it'll be delivered to your door. Okay, another thing, you just swipe. It says you can browse the internet. There's TV mirroring, which is pretty cool. You do need a Samsung TV. It's a certain, they give you like a certain model that is compatible with. So if you have this type of model or later, then you can stream your TV here. It's not gonna work right now because my TV is not on, but it's kind of neat because the way our house is positioned, I guess where the dining table is, you can't really see the TV because we have this divider that's kind of blocking the rooms. So we just search it. I saw the word search. So we just stream it from here and we can watch TV. You can add a photo album, so it's kind of neat because you just add your photos to here, and then a screensaver will appear if you're not using the fridge or if you're not nearby it. So all your photos will appear as a screensaver. That's kind of neat. Fridge manager here, you can just control the temperatures of the fridge. And then there is a timer, so if you're cooking something on the stove and your timer or whatever isn't working, your fridge will play a little tune once it's done. Then your settings, Instacart, I don't know, I've never even used that. There's the All Recipes app, which I use all the time when, let me catch my breath, when we can't figure out what to have for dinner. And then there's the Samsung Smart Home, which I access from my phone. It's another app that we have. And this one is, again, you can see what's inside your fridge. You can turn, like, if you have your AC or other appliances that are hooked up to Smart Home, you can control it from here or from your phone. But we only have our fridge hooked up to the phone because that's all that we really have. So if we go back home, that's basically what it is on the main menu. There's your home, your back screen, your info, and then this is just a list thingy when you need it. So these top 2 doors, that's both access to the fridge, and you can control the temperatures in each quadrant. So we have here, see, it looks exactly like it did on the other one. You can control stuff that happens in this area as well as this area. You can control the temperatures in these compartments over here. The water filter goes right in there, and it's pretty deep inside. Like, my arm is still, there we go. I'm trying to go all the way in. If you leave the door open for too long, it'll actually start playing like a little tune. So if we go down here, this is the freezer compartment down here, and right now we have it set so that both sides are the freezer, but this area right here can actually be a fridge or a freezer compartment, so that's kind of neat. It gives you that option. But like I said before, the cameras can't view what's inside your freezer, only in the fridge. And in fact, I'll show you what's where the cameras are. So if we look right here, that's the camera. There's 3 lenses, and then it just, oops, let me just break my fridge, why don't I? And then once you close it, it'll just start. It takes a few seconds and then it updates every time it closes. You hear that? That means the fridge has been open for too long. So because the fridge has been open for too long, it's gonna start readjusting the temperature inside. So that's it as far as what's in my fridge and the wonderful features of my fridge. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm not sure what I'm gonna vlog about, but I'm gonna try my best to keep this on a roll. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.